There are times when you are distributing sensitive documents that you might want to include restrictions or set passwords. To do that, first let's look at restrictions. Going into the Review tab, on the right hand side in the Protect area, you see the Restrict Editing button. What this Restrict Editing button does is actually it opens up a pane, Restrict Editing pane, and you can set the formatting restrictions you'd like to apply to your document. So clicking on the settings here, we can limit formatting of styles. That means we can choose sections in our document where we want to limit, whether it's a table of content for or paragraphs or bodies of text. Let me undo that. We can also edit the category of restriction, whether we would like to restrict the changing of the comments, or we won't allow the person to fill in forms, or no changes period. There's no changes read only. That means the user cannot change without a password. And we can add exceptions to this rule. If we're on a company network, we'll see everyone's on the network within this groups list here, and we can choose whichever group we want to restrict editing to. So to start enforcing editing restrictions, so I've clicked on the format restrictions. I click on yes, start enforcing protection, and to ask me for a password. In this case, I'm going to use HUT, H-U-T. Then I have to re-enter my password, H-U-T. Click OK. Now the document has been restricted. If I were to close this document, click on save, and reopen this document. Now the document is in restrict mode. Even if I go to edit documents and I try and change anything, the restrict editing portion opens up to tell me that I cannot enter anything in this document or change anything unless I stop protection. So this is very good for sending contract documents to staff and sensitive documents that you don't want to edit, it to be edited. So if I click stop protection, I'll have to enter that password for this document. And when I do enter the password, I'm now allowed to enter text into the document. That's restrictions. Another form of restriction is using the password feature. And the password feature, the only difference it has compared to the restrictions, that the password won't even allow you to open the document if you don't have the right password. And it's set by going to the file, and within the file info area, you go to protect document, and here we can see encrypt this document with a password. And I'll be asked for encrypt the document password. I'm going to use HUT, and it will ask you to confirm. So HUT again. And remember, if you lock a document and you forget your password, you can never open it. So be careful with this feature. So let me close the document. Let me try and open it again. And now the document won't even open. I have to enter the password before it will open. So now let's enter the password HUT. And here's our document open now.